Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Alice Gregoriadi, who's a startup advisor, and we're at Swift's Business Forum London. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
How can banks benefit from the use of blockchain?
Today, banks have a huge infrastructure that is quite costly to maintain and to upgrade. The more banks expand, the more by acquisition and other means, they acquire different technologies that they cannot necessarily integrate properly. So the whole architecture, infrastructure is very, very costly. That's one of the main needs that banks have to reduce costs. The other main need is to increase security. It's vital. We are talking about payments that banks are able to keep the network very, very secure.
Can you give me an example of one great opportunity to use blockchain?
So a great opportunity, everybody's talking about payments or crowdfunding. I would like to talk about KYC, know your customer. It's in the heart of everybody. Onboarding clients is extremely expensive, time consuming, and it is a very bad experience for the client many times. Either the client is an individual or a client is a legal entity. Efficiencies and client experience can be incredible through the blockchain for the KYC process. Take, for example, an individual who wants to buy a mortgage, who wants to buy a property. They get to a bank, they get a mortgage. They go, then they have to buy probably 3 different insurances. One for life, one for the property, one for credit. So you have 3 insurances on the one side, 1 mortgage on the other side, 2 different institutions. You now have to prove yourself that you are you to all these institutions and all these different processes, as well as that the property exists. Here you have 2 different identifications in 4 different areas that you have to prove. Can you imagine just tapping an app and being able to give all this information verifiable at the same time immediately? You can open your mortgage, you can get your mortgage, you can get your approval, it's very verified, and you can get your insurance. Incredible.
Shouldn't banks and fintech companies focused on blockchain work together more collaboratively?
They should, and that's the whole purpose of it. One on its own is not going to achieve anything. All of them, it's not focusing on blockchain, but focusing on the capabilities that can be achieved through that new technology. And it's not only banks between themselves, with the users, it's also governments, it is the regulators. It's to the benefit of everyone to have instantaneous, real-time ability to transfer data, to share data in a shared environment, a very auditable environment.
Alice, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.